Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great and enjoying the videos I'm posting so far. Today we're coming back with a very easy baby booties. This is very beginner friendly, so if you are a beginner and you want to do a booties, this is the one to make. There are different versions of it, but you know the concept of the booty is the same. You just need a crochet hook, you need scissor as well, and a sewing needle at the end, and the yarn of your choice. Today I'm using some of my used yarn. It's from Red Heart Soft, and the color I'll put the link in the description box for the exact color. It's like blue, not turquoise, but it's a very pretty color. I love the colors of Red Heart yarn, and if you've been following for a while, you know that I love using this yarn a lot because of the color and because how soft it is. So without further ado, let's get started with this. So it's very simple. We'll start first with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 26. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a single crochet and a single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Don't forget to check in the description box about the crochet basics, how to make a slip knot, how to make a single crochet, a slip stitch. It's all over there. So I'm almost done with the first row. The following rows will be a repetitive of back loop single crochet, and I'll show you how. So chain 1. Okay, instead of working a normal single crochet, what I'm gonna do, you see the loops over here, I'm gonna work into the second one only, working a normal single crochet. I'll pull through and I'll pull through too. Okay, this is the first one completed. Now the second one, insert into the back loop, work the single crochet, insert into the next back loop, single crochet. That's what I'm gonna do for the next 8 rows. I should have total of 8 rows. So at the end of the row, I'll make 1 chain and then turn, work my back loop single crochets for a total of 8 rows. Okay, so now I have finished the 8th row, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fasten off here and hide my thread before I continue. So I'm gonna sew any loose ends. That's it. Just cut the thread, the extra thread. And now, okay, what we need to do, okay, so now to start the insole or the sole, what we need to do, it should be equal to this side for the sewing later. So here I have made 8 rows, so I should have in the middle 8 stitches. So for that I need to minus 8 stitches from 25, which is 25 stitches here, so 17. Okay, 17 divided by 2 is 8.5, so we'll make it 9. Okay, we'll count 9 from each side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'm gonna work my first stitch here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I'm gonna work my last stitch over here. Okay, so this will make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 7 stitches. I'll just mark it, and I'm gonna insert my slip, oops, knot over here, insert. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 7 stitches. So here I'll insert my hook, join, oops, join, yeah, joint, and work 1 single crochet here and into the 7 stitches. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Chain 1, and I'll repeat the same as this, 1 single crochet in the back loop. And I'll repeat the same for total of 8 rows. So the sole, like we said, we should have 8 rows of back loop single crochet. Okay, so here I have already finished, and this is what I get. Now I'm gonna leave a long tail for the sewing purpose and shaping my booty. So pull the thread through, and here I'm gonna insert my sewing needle. Okay, Now I can hide this later. I need to make sure so both sides are on top of the other, like so. This side and this one as well. Okay, very good. So make sure they are facing me and they're well aligned together. I'm gonna start sewing all three sides together. So now what I still have to do, I'm gonna sew these two sides, this side over here and this side over here, to close the booty. So again, I'll continue the same way. Okay, and here I'll just pass my thread through the stitches to go to the other side. Simple. And finish sewing this side. Okay, just secure secure the thread, and then I can cut it. So this is the wrong side, we're gonna turn it for the right side now. Okay, so this is my booty completed, and this is how it looks like. Very easy to make, especially for beginners. You can try many of them until you get the perfect one for a gift or for your baby. So these are my booties. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. I try to make it as easy as possible. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.